Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you exactly how to apply VBA code in Excel. This tutorial is perfect for beginners, and by the end of this video you know how to insert VBA code, save it correctly and run it successfully. So let's get started. The first thing we need is the developer tab. If you already have it on your Excel ribbon, you can skip this step. If you don't see the developer tab, here is how to enable it. So first one, click file, go to more options, then customize ribbon on the right, check the case for developer, then OK. The same way, click anywhere in the area here, right click, customize the ribbon, the same window, customize the ribbon, OK, check the case for developer, then OK. And that's it. The developer tab will now appear at the top of Excel. Next, click on the developer tab, then select Visual Basic like this, or just click Alt F11 on your keyboard to open the Visual Basic editor instantly. Once the VBA editor opens, look at the project Explorer on the left side, select your workbook. Now go to Insert and choose Module. Here is the simple code, for example sub hello world. Okay, message box, welcome to Excel. Okay, that's it. Now click file and save it as file, save it as browse anywhere, save as workbook macro, give it a name, then OK. Yes, I have already one. Okay, from here I can run this code directly, run welcome to Excel, or create a button here, developer, insert, then choose the module, then OK, click welcome to Excel. That's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss future Excel and VBA tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.